Stop right now. Do you know? A person who was fired from Apple and later built Pixar next and then returned to Apple just to make an iPhone. Who was that person? Yes, none other than Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, the man who changed the world with Apple, left us with a simple yet powerful message: stay hungry, stay foolish. But what did he really mean? And why should you believe in his words? So, what does stay hungry really means? If we focus on this word, so basically, Steve Jobs, as we told you before, was fired from Apple and then later he returned to this company after building Pixar next and built an iPhone and changed the history. And today the world is just going crazy after his invention. He was always hungry. He had hunger for innovation. He had hunger for learning new technologies and he pushed the boundaries for something greater. Are you still hungry for success or have you become too comfortable with your failure? Okay, so now let's talk about what stay foolish means. Do you know what he meant by saying stay foolish? Stay foolish means don't be afraid to take risks. Don't fear looking stupid. When Jobs dropped out of college, people thought that he was making a foolish decision. When he bet everything on the first Macintosh, critics called it a failure. But every foolish decision led to something revolutionary. So if you are too scared of failure, you will never achieve greatness. How you can apply this today? Keep learning, read new books, experiment new ideas, and improve yourself at whatever you are. Take risks, start that project, launch the business, and make the one bold move that you have been thinking for so long. And ignore the doubters. The world belongs to those who dare to be different from others. So basically, in 2005, Steve Jobs gave a legendary speech at Stanford University. He shared stories from his life about failure, risk taking, and never settling for less. At the end of his speech, he repeated the words from an old magazine called The Whole Earth Catalog, saying, stay hungry, stay foolish. It was not just a quote, it was a mindset.